Hello and welcome to today's video. We are at SeaWorld. It is Saturday, October 18th. We're going to the Halloween party at Disney tomorrow. We're staying at Bay Lake Tower, but we wanted to come to SeaWorld. Ryder's finally 54 inches and we're gonna go on all the roller coasters. He's a little nervous about Pipeline. I hate Mako, but yeah, it should be fun. So it is like 10:15, park opened at 9, but hopefully it won't be too bad. Park is definitely pretty packed today. So, gorgeous day though. It's nice and cool. It's like 73 degrees right now. It's really nice. So, Kraken's only a 5-minute wait. We're gonna start there. And yeah, exciting. We love this coaster. So, it's pretty much a walk-on.
Conditions. Guests with any type of arm or hand prosthetic.
Front row. So front row actually has a wait. The rest of the lines don't. So we're not waiting. How was it, Ryder?
It was fun.
It's Kraken.
It was good.
Yeah? Were you scared?
It made me less scared
For the rest of them?
yeah.
Cool. Okay, well, where are we going next?
Manta.
Manta. Okay, you gave Kraken an 8. Okay, you're excited about Manta?
Yeah.
Are you nervous?
Scared.
You're scared? You're gonna be fine. So this one we are gonna wait for the front row. It was a 40-minute wait, not too bad, but we are gonna wait for the front row for this one. You nervous?
Yes.
Manta was awesome. We waited for the front row. It wasn't too long. Now we're gonna see how Penguin Trek is, how long the wait is for that. If not, we'll go to Kraken again. What did you think of Manta?
I liked it.
What was your score?
What?
What's your score?
8.5 out of 10.
Okay, 8.5. It's also the SeaWorld Spooktacular. We'll be trick-or-treating later. But it's actually fun. It's all throughout the park. Last time we were here, they had the trackless little ride, but that has since gone, and now they have Penguin Trek. Oh my god. Ryder, you like the cold.
Hi. Hi, penguin. Hi.
What's up, buddy?
He's chilling. He's like, where's my food? I'm doing a video. For Penguin Trek.
8. Actually, probably 7.
7? Okay, 7. Okay. And what about the penguins? What do you rate the penguins?
10.
10.
That was awesome, huh? All air.
Ryder, look at your hair. Let me see. Look at your hair. It's all fixed again.
Oh, see, that's what makes them good to fix your hair.
What do you rank? What do you rank Mako?
Infinity out of 10.
Infinity out of 10. Okay. So we rode Penguin Trek and Mako, and now we are at the Pelican Point. So yeah, we're going to see the sea lions. Hi. Hi.
Oh, I got it!
Aww.
Did you get it?
Oh, you're gonna have this one. Don't give it to that. There you go.
Okay, wait. I might give one back
I'm
there.
gonna make. Wait, give it that one. Give that
There's a big one too.
one. Yeah, you got it. You two want to eat? Okay, we're going. Hi, that's so funny.
Right. These are all real.
I wonder. I think I know it.
Look at him. Look at him.
As long as I have no blood.
That's a black tip.
Hey, look at that.
Another black tip. Look at this thing. Look at this thing.
Oh, da, da, da.
So we ate lunch at Voyager's Smokehouse, I think it is. Excellent. However, we mobile ordered, which was a huge mistake. So we mobile ordered, we got here, and it was like, oh, our mobile order wasn't going to be ready for a half an hour. I asked if we could get it early. They said no, we can wait. So then we waited, and we needed a break anyway. But then I went over there when it was supposed to be ready. Couldn't find anybody, waited for 10 minutes, and then finally had to find someone to say, like, what's going on? And they're like, oh, we'll get your food now. So we probably could have gotten it early. All they did was just take it from the line. So just don't mobile order at SeaWorld. It's a waste of time. We could have eaten a lot sooner. Now we needed a break anyway, and they also had like more selection on the line. So just don't mobile order. That's because we're Disney people and we're programmed now to mobile order. But SeaWorld, don't. So we just rode Mako for the second time. Ryder, what do you like for Mako? Front or the back?
Back.
Back.
Back is infinity.
The first time, the lady was awesome and she like put it snug, so I had no air time. This time, they couldn't get it anymore, so I had a lot of air time.
I was like,
Fortunately, Infinity Falls is closed. It's closed. It doesn't even look, I don't think it was opening. It doesn't even look like it was open at all today. So, okay, but now we'll go somewhere else. So that's Orca Stadium. And now we're gonna walk through Sesame Street Land to get to Expedition Odyssey. And here we have Sesame Street Land. It's sweet. I remember when Ryder loved this place. Now we're gonna ride Icebreaker. Finally got here. There's no wait for the front, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go ride the front.
Thank you for riding Icebreaker and enjoy the rest of your day here at SeaWorld.
Are you excited? You look like you're nervous. Oh my God, Ryder. Oh my God! Whoa!
It's short, but it's good.
Yeah, Ryder, what'd you think of it?
we're already done.
Yeah. It was good though. It was better than I expected.
Yeah.
The Icebreaker was really good. Better than I expected. Short, but really, really good.
Stand upright, buckle your harness, face forward, and keep your back and head against the seat bed.
I don't think that's supposed to go like that! Oh my God! rides are closing at 4, even though the park is open to like 6 or 7 because of the event tonight. Like Pipeline closed. We got to ride it, but it closed at 4, and even though it reopens at 7, so it's kind of, honestly, it's kind of shitty. But we're on Journey to Atlantis, but it looks like it's closed for the day too. Yeah, so Journey to Atlantis is also closed. So this really sucks, yeah. So we are going back to see the penguins. Journey to Atlantis closed at 5. Nothing, no notice on the app. Park closes at 8, by the way. So a lot of rides close at 4, some close at 5, but there's nothing that tells you what rides are closing early. So now we're back at the penguins because Ryder was really sad. And penguins cheered him up, so that's what we're gonna do.
Ryder, be careful with Mama. She's filming.
Mama!
Look how cute they are. Look at the one sleeping. Oh, I love them.
Can you shake me?
So now we're at the Stingray station.
Over more. There you go. Get wet. There you go. Feel it.
You wanted to get wet. Oh.
Yeah, I do. It's very bubbly in here.
Right?
Yeah, it's very like slimy.
Doing it. Petting the stingrays. They're scuba slimy. Did you lose it?
Oh, he's gonna get it. He got it.
You got it?
He got it. He went back for it.
Fought for it. It worked for it. I can just prop them to do it.
Yeah, but don't do that. You want to feel it. You want to feel it sucking out of your fingers. Go low, go low, go low.
It's on top of it. Oh, we got it. We got it. Okay, so we are back at Bay Lake Tower. Took about a half an hour to get back here because of the traffic. Took a long time to get out of SeaWorld. So we had a great time at SeaWorld. However, just a couple things. The mobile order with the food was awful. It was like, just first of all, don't mobile order, but their whole app is pretty much useless. Like, it's pretty much just a way to pay for advance, but then it charges a service charge. So if you actually purchase things on the app, you're actually paying more for a lot of things because there's a service charge, which you don't necessarily get other places. So we actually paid more for lunch and then had to wait. And then, yeah, so it was like, we got there 2:15. It said our order would be ready at 2:45. I said, can we get it now? They said, no, it'll be come out at 2:45. So then I went over there at 2:45 and then we were told, I just stood there and then nobody came and I had to literally look for someone. So we didn't get our food until like 3:10, but I had to physically go and find someone to say, we have a mobile order, you know, can I get it? So don't mobile order. And then two, we knew the hollow screen was coming tonight. We knew that the park was closing early. However, some of the rides, I knew what rides were open during Hollow Scream. Pipeline and certain rides were open. But what I didn't know is that they closed early. And I was looking on the app to find what times rides closed. Nothing. The park was open until 8. Rides closed at 4. That's ridiculous. 4 hours early. Pipeline closed at 4. Icebreaker closed at 4. They were going to reopen at 7, but to ride them at 7, you had to have a ticket for Hollow Scream, which totally makes sense. However, the ticket for us was supposedly, good till 8. So that right there. And I don't mind that like rides close early. That's, it is what it is. But advertise it. Not having the times that rides, like this ride will be closing. So Expedition Odyssey was open, but my son really, really wanted to ride Journey to Atlantis. Don't ask me why. He just really wanted to do a water ride. Infinity Falls was closed. I don't know if it's under and we just didn't know, or if it was just closed today. I'll have to look. But if it's under refurbishment or not. But Journey to Atlantis was open. So he's like, I really want to ride Journey to Atlantis. So we're like, okay, we're probably not going to be able to make it over back to Exhibition Odyssey because the bridge was going to close at 5:15. So we hauled butt over to Journey to Atlantis. Got there at 5:05. They had closed it early at 5. Again, not advertised anywhere. I looked online. I just looked online to see if there's any other information of it closing early. Could not find any information. Like, what did I miss? And they wouldn't let us ride. My son had a complete meltdown, because when I tell you we hauled butt, we did. And he just had a complete meltdown. And you know, they didn't care. So it's not that rides close early, that's fine, but advertise it. We'll definitely come back, but it really left a bad taste in my mouth, like as far as, you know, customer service, etc. Between the food. Now some of the I call them cast members, but I think they're called ambassadors, were great. Like, we had some really great experiences, but just, I don't know, it was just weird. But we had a really good time. Ryder really enjoyed it. He loved Mako. And you know, hopefully we'll get to come back and ride the 2 water rides, Infinity Falls and Journey to Atlantis. But if you are coming in the future, if you're watching this video in the future during Hollow Scream, or if they have another like nightly paid separate ticket event, just know that certain rides are going to close early. And what I would try and do is go to guest services in the beginning when you get there and say what rides are closing early at what time, because they should give out a printout of that. That's my biggest complaint. So I'll probably be writing them and letting them know, but not just more like feedback, because again, we had a great day, but that was just really crappy. So anyway, with that, if you like this video, click like, click and subscribe. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Bye everyone.